program going on, and a lady from Chew Department, Legacy School of Health Science and Technology, Gombe, presenting at the same time selling immunization stuff at the marketplace exhibition program organized by Ms. Pashka at State Specialist Hospital, Gombe. Call us and watch the video to the end and see wonders from these great students. See you.
Thank you. Nabi kuna kama. Nabi kuna kama wallahi.
Did you ask any question? Have they satisfied you with the answers? How much can you afford to buy their products?
Want to make?
Ladies and gentlemen, go and subscribe to Mr. Fashkar Nurses TV for more videos that can enlighten you on health-related issues. We have a lot of things that can contribute towards your wellness. Subscribe to Mr. Fashkar Nurses TV. Thank you so much. See you.